Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. After 10 years bafethu bama-pointer laphana umama ulokhunjana bafethu uMadlala for 10 years. 10 years ayi-acting CEO yebhola lase-South Africa noma yaku-P_S_L. Chaza ukuthini lokho bafethu ukuthi umuntu abe acting CEO yaku-P_S_L for 10 years. Chaza ukuthi i-organization or i-P_S_L i-leadership yakhona ayikho right, ayiqinanga, ayikho strong. And then ne-board yakhona u-P_S_L they're not able to ukuthi baqashe umuntu i-CEO permanent. Kusho ukuthi kunama-conflicts phakathi bafowethu noma ngithi amapolitiki, kune-power struggles. There is no, because manje makuthiwa acting kusho ukuthi uhleli laphana esikhundleni okwesikhashana. Mawahlala 10 years kuchaza ukuthi kunenkinga serious. And then we've seen ibhola lase-South Africa likhuli to the level ekumele likhule ngayo because of kunamapolitiki abantu abaphethe i-P_S_L. Ngichaza ukuthini mangisho lento le, angazi ukuthi sengisikhave kangakanani le story lesi bafowethu, but-ke hlezi kuphuma something esingakhuluma ngayo siloku sisi-advance, because ngike ngakhuluma ngama-image rights, ngike ngakhuluma ngokuthi Golden Arrows which oyi-chairwoman umama lo waku-P_S_L or oyi-CEO ukuthi ine-10 bet lana, but ilike yase-South Africa kusponzwa o-Betway, sponzwa o-Hollywood, even then sponzwa o-Hollywood, izinto ezinjalo. So kune-conflict of interest mawubheka la, i-fairness ayikho, khona abantu abacindezelayo, khona abangacindezelwa. Chaza ukuthini lokhu? Cause ayikho indaba yebhola lethu, to be honest bafethu, ayikho ngempela. So because of lento le ngabe yasolviwa early, but kuyabonakala, I mean siyabona ukuthi kune-power, kunomuntu, kunabantu or kunomuntu ona lonke ibhola lase-South Africa ukuthatha ama-decision. Ayikaze yenzeke in-history lento le, angikaze ngayibona mina kuthiwa umuntu i-acting CEO for 10 years. 10 ngeke, cause kumele kutholakala umuntu ozoba ku-position for permanent. That is why we've seen abo-John Commit bafowethu, lo we-Captain City, yes, aphula out from i-committee yalaphana ku-P_S_L yabo-chairman, angazi aba-7 laba abavotelayo. Ubona ukuthi ayikho le ndaba le, bayabekwa nje just for the sake of ukubekwa, but-ke abana-power. Abantu abane-power lese uyi-1 bawu-2 bafiwe abantu abane-power serious. And the acting CEO yaku-P_S_L umama washo, I'm quoting him manje, ukuthi uzohlala kulesa sikhundla until amabhosi wakhe amtshela otherwise. Obani amabhosi wakhe? Okay, isidlule kuleyo nto leyo, kuleyo question leyo. Yeah, but-ke I mean ibhola lase-South Africa bafethu ziyakhala, but ziningi izinto ngempela bafethu bekumele ngabe ziya-improve. Lokhu kusivezela ukuthi asinawo ama-journalist e-South Africa or asinabo abantu abarepota iy'ndaba ngokweqiniso. And yini into eyenza ukuthi sizithole kule situation le, ukuthi bonke abantu seba-associated nama-teams. Ama-teams it trickles down to ukuthi baphethe obani abaphethe lawo ma-teams lawo, and then nabo ba-own obani, basponzwa obani. Mawubheka ama-journalist, even if you can even go to ubani, uMazola Molefe, umbheke ukuthi usponzwa i-Betway, ishow yakhe isponzwa yini, i-Betway yonke. I remember even naye kumele akaza arepota ngoMonapule Ngisaleng, not even once. Masikhathi uSaleng kuyine-story esikhulu around the country about yena, azange areport. Isitshelani leyo nto leyo? And then kunalento le i-P_S_L, yazi abantu mabangazazi ezinye izinto, i-journalism yase-South Africa abatholi i-access ukuthi babe kuma-press conference bancane ne. And then i-P_S_L iyakwazi mayibona ukuthi uzoba i-journalist engathi linenkinga, iyakwazi ukuthathela accreditation yakho ukuthi ungasezi laphana kuma-conference because of wena ubuza ama-questions avalid, and then maybe we can even clash ne-organization which raises questions, but at the same time akekho umuntu ozowaphendula ama-questions lawa. Alikho futhi i-journalist elizokhava izinto ngokweqiniso. Enye into eyenza ukuthi i-P_S_L bafethu ingafuni ukuqasha i-CEO permanent ukuthi abafuni ukuqasha umuntu okwazi ukucabangela lese ongahambiselani nabo, o-independent in a way, cause manje ngeke alawuleke lowo muntu loyo. So baqasha umuntu abaziyo ukuthi banobudlelwane naye, bayakwazi ukusebenzisana, bayakwazi ukwenzelana ama-favor. For example, i-Orlando Pirates ne-Golden Arrows bane-powerful friendships or i-relationship, bathengiselana ama-player, baswitch ama-player. Ngizonenzela nje example, uKatlego Mashiwo, i-Orlando Pirates yamhambisa angazi nokwazi, was still contracted to i-Orlando Pirates, bamtshela nje ukuthi awuzoya wena ku-Golden Arrows. Kanjalo nje umthetho ukuphi-ke lapho mawubheka ebholeni. Uqinile awuqinanga, uweak, ba-avoid ama-contract. Kusho ukuthi i-contract ayi-respect almost. Why? Because abantu abaphethe i-P_S_L ba-run-a everything, akekho umuntu oba-opposayo. Kanti if bekhona abantu aba-independent abakwazi uku-oppose i-decision making laphana phezulu, and then ngabe i-P_S_L irana kahle smooth, ngabe sesize safika ekutheni i-team eku-P_S_L bekumele ikwazi ukukhokhela bonke abadlali kahle bafowethu. Imali iningi kabi ebholeni lase-South Africa, but iphelelaphi? Itholwa obani yonke le mali le? Cause kunemali eningi, but ama-teams ayastruggle, cause there's no way udlale ethimini kuligi enkulu e-generate ama-billions and billions every year, but-ke nina ama-teams lawa under le organization awayitholi leyo mali leyo. I-team ithola around what, 20, close to 25 million a season or 20 million a season kuphela. Bazokwenza ngaleyo mali leyo? Cause khona izinto ezi-avoidwayo, ama-sponsorships ukuthi abe fair, ama-T_V rights ukuthi abe fair. Awekho ama-T_V rights. Uma kukhuluma ngama-T_V rights e-South Africa, abantu abazi, awekho for amanye ama-team, awekho, zero. So yizo lezo zinto lezo bafethu. Hhayi, ayikho indaba ku-Betway Premiership bafethu, ihlazo ngempela, yeah. So ihlazo elikhulu, but-ke abantu abekho abantu abazokwazi ukuba nama-opinion asolidi ukuthi kukwazi ukulungisiwa ibhola, because of, imagine, just think about le nto lena bafethu. Thola ukuthi i-Real Madrid ne i-owner futhi ibhola lase-Spain. Ngenze example, ngifuna ukunibonisa something, cause mangithi i-Real Madrid, angisho umphathi we-P_S_L, u-chairman, u-Dr. Ivan Khoza, yibo abantu abaqala i-P_S_L, sharp, clean. Chaza ukuthi i-P_S_L ayikho independent. Bekumele ibhola lase-South Africa libe independent from abantu abarana ama-teams. Unfortunately, loko akwenzeki e-South Africa. Always abantu bahlezi bengenelela. We've seen i-Real Madrid i-threatenisha i-Spanish Football Association or whatever lento abayibiza ngayo, ukuthi bazophula out bona ebholeni lase-Spain because of abarespectiwa zonke lezi zinto lezo. I-football governing body kumele iklashe sometimes nama-teams, kubonakale ukuthi i-association i-independent. Manje ebholeni lase-South Africa into ekanjalo ayenzeki, nix. Chaza ukuthini? Alikho professional le bhola leli, li-run-wa based on. So manje sesikhuluma ngalo, abantu abaningi sebakhuluma ngayo, njengoba bengishilo ukuthi sekunama-months and months ngikhuluma ngayo le nto le, ukuthi what is happening ngempela. But-ke manje lucky enough ubaba lawa ku-Black Leopard naye seze wakhuluma ukuthi hhayi, ayikho-ke le nto le, bo-Ivan Khoza banjani njani, barana ini, ukusho konke lokho. And then sekuthola le nto seyithola i-attention, but ayitholi i-attention enough ukuthi abantu they have to dig. So ababathemba abantu abangaphandle laba abangeke bakwazi ukubalawula, they would rather hire abantu abazobalawula. Abanye abantu bavele bathi ayikho inkinga ebholeni lase-South Africa, ukuthi abazi, babheke i-Orlando Pirates ne-Chiefs kuphela, babone ngathi ibhola li-right. Alikho ibhola eli-right bafethu. Ama-teams astrugglile, o-Arrows, o-Moroka Swallows abekho, o-Cape Town City namhlanje baneyinkinga because of bebangathola amanye ama-sponsorships fail. Ama-teams wonke astruggle financially because of akuna-booster abayitholayo from, i-Betway isponsor ibhola lase-South Africa, but ama-teams awa-benefit from i-Betway. I-SuperSport isponsor ibhola lase-South Africa, but ama-teams amancane awa-benefit from lawo ma-billions lawa aphumayo. Ama-advertisement, ama-ads, ama-teams awa-benefit ama-teams lawa thina esiwafavorayo, the two big teams kuphela. Mamelodi Sundowns iyazama ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns ayinandaba-ke naley'mali lezi zama-T_V rights because of obvious ba-own-wa i-billionaire. Yes, leyo mali iyafika, but akusinto aba-concentrate-a kuyo ukuthi i-livelihood yabo, ngaphandle kwaleyo mali ngeke bakwazi ukuphefumula or ukuphila, bayakwazi. That is why uPatrice Motsepe akwazi ukusponsor lonke ibhola lase-South Africa from i-National First Division to i-Third Division. It's sad bafethu. Abantu yazi abantu bazokhuluma indaba yokuthi ili-right kabi, everything i-right. U-Dr. Ivan Khoza wakhulisa ibhola lase-South Africa ngaphandle kakunoza. Yes, he was one of the people aba-orchestrate ukuthi ibhola libe professional, but manje bekumele ngabe li-benefit-a wonke umuntu o-involved, still sa-benefit-a abantu aba-few. Alukuyibamba la bafethu. Yeah, ngingaze bafethu, yeah. ngingaze ngingene kwezinye. Danko.